right, first you're going to make a slip knot. And you're going to start this like you would start any normal crochet project. You're going to chain the length that you want. So we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into the loop. You see this loop right here, this top loop? We're going to go in here like you would make a single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, but leave it on your hook. Don't complete the single crochet. Let's try that again. Go into this top loop, pull up a loop, leave it on your hook. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. That's why your hook needs to be so long and straight, because you're leaving the loops on there. We'll do that one more time. Well, actually, we're going to do it several more times, but we'll just go down the line and keep picking up loops, like so. And at the end of this, I should have 10 loops on my hook. And that's the last one. So that's 10 loops on the hook. A little messy, but you get the idea. Now, what we're going to do is the kind of fun part. So take your hook and yarn over, pull through 1 time on the end loop, okay? That's where you're making your sort of chain 1. That's to start your next, your return row. Now, go through 2 loops that are on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just keep going down, pulling through thing, and you'll see you're making this right here after you pull through. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And at the end, you'll pull through these 2. And this is what it looks like. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is start on your next setup row, your next forward row. So you'll go through this little vertical bar right here. You'll go through the vertical bar, and we're just doing a simple stitch. So we're just going to pull up a loop, just like you pulled up a loop when you were making your chain. Pull up a loop, go through the bar, pull up a loop, go through the bar, pull up a loop. So you're going under and pulling it through. Go under the bar, pull through, under the bar, pull through, under the bar, pull through, and your last one is going to be this little thing on the end. And again, you're going to have these 10 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 loops left on your hook. And so what do we do? We're doing it a return row, so you do your yarn over and you pull through on your last loop to do a chain 1, and then you begin your returning. So pull through 2, okay? So you've got 1 done, pull through another 2, that's 2 done, pull through another 2, pull through another 2. Uh-oh, yeah, there we go. Pull through another 2. It's a little easier once you start going faster, but I wanted to show it as slowly as possible for you. And there you go. And this is what it looks like. So you've got this bottom row is pretty much done, and then the top row is ready for another setup or another forward row. So let's try this one more time. We're gonna go through the front, or go through the back of this vertical bar right here. We're gonna pull through, pull up a loop, leave it on your hook. Another vertical bar you see, go through it, pull up a loop. Go through, pull up a loop, and just keep going down the line like that until you have 10 loops on your hook, or however many you decide to start with. Again, we're going nice and slow, so you can do this along with me. And at the very end, you see this end right here? We pull through a loop right there. Now what do? We do our chain 1. So we pull through just the end loop, and then we go through 2 loops to start our return. Now in Tunisian crochet, you have both a forward and a back and a return. It's a forward and a return. This is the return. And the step that we did before that was called the forward. And that's what it looks like. So now you have 1, 2, and on the back, this is what it looks like. You can count the rows pretty easily. 1, 2. And I'm using a weight 3 yarn. This is Lion Brand Mandala with a size J hook. So it's a little bit big, but that helps with the drape some. So you're gonna want to use a hook that's a bit bigger than the yarn that you're using. But yeah, that's how we do our crochet simple stitch. Our Tunisian Crochet Simple Stitch is right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.